Hello, today's topic is propositions of probability. There are five propositions of probability, and these five propositions are like five pillars of probability. And with the help of these propositions, we can go in depth of the world of mathematical probability. So, let's get started. The first proposition is probability of phi is equals to 0. That is the probability of a impossible event where phi is an impossible event is equals to 0. Now come to the next one. The next proposition is if suppose we have n events a1, a2, an, which are pairwise disjoint, then probability of union ai is equals to sum over probability of ai, where I equals to 1 to n. Now come to the third one. Suppose E is an event, then probability of E complement is equals to 1 minus probability of E. Okay. Now the second last one is if E is a subset of F, where E and F both are events, then we can write it as probability of E is less than equals to probability of F. E is a subset of F, then probability of E is less than equals to probability of F. And now the last one, the last probability is nothing but probability of E union F is equals to probability of E, probability of E plus probability of F minus probability of E intersection F. Okay. So these are the five propositions of probability. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.